This is Kanuagrym Network. We have interrupts our main program before our commercial break to bring you the full report from the Universal Newsreel. It recently confirms that a incident has occurred at 7:17 p.m. tonight. A East Coast train at a incident at Aligos in Washington. This incident has occurred that has collided with a bang. A bus. It happens was a collided nearing the East Coast train that is heading to our last rival Kenton Bankfoot. And due to this crash incident that's happened at 7:17 p.m. our normal program's schedule is further hang in light of the horror event. We now go to the latest Universal Newsreel as it happened today on the 2/3 of August 2013.